Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you another hubcaps that were sent to me by EVbase, and I've already reviewed these and I'll link to the video where I reviewed them. But one thing that I didn't say about these hubcaps is that they actually protect the rim from curb rash. And like a day or two after I recorded that video and published it, I curbed my wheel, just trying to park parallel. And good thing I had these because this saved the rim. So let me show you the ones that I'm going to review today. That's what they look like. I think they're very very nice looking. Now this can be a different color. I'll link to the two different types that you can order, plus you can get 20% discount using the discount code that I'll put in the description. So let me show you what you need to do to get these installed. Now inside the box you get this type of foam that you need to stick to the wheel hubcaps, and they give you this tool, this metal tool, and I'll show you right now what you should do with it if you have the original hubcaps of your Model Y Juniper. They tell you to go like this here and to pull. I actually think it's easier to just go like this. Okay. So you go like this, right? You remove the outside perimeter. Now you go from here and you pull. All right, so we got this foam stuff and it needs to go on the hubcap, and it goes in the inner side perimeter. This way, when this piece touches the rim, it doesn't scrape it. So this is a nice soft touch point between the hubcap and the rim. By the way, they give you more than you need, so don't worry about running out. And there we got to the end. Can overlap it, and yeah, let's go ahead and put it on the car. These are the old EVbase hubcaps, and you can just pull them out like this. Wow, look how dirty my my original are. But this is, by the way, a good opportunity to see the disc brake and the condition of it. And by the way, this is after about 5,400 miles. Let's install the new ones, and we got to position the inflator hole here. So make sure you got that right. Okay. And that's it. Just to give you a contrast between this one and the other one. And by the way, I really like the other ones. I like these ones too. They're almost like the 2023 version that came. All right, so I'm gonna do a circle around the car so you can see these from all angles, and you can see the other ones from all angles. Okay. I actually like the new ones, I think, better. I don't know. I think the difference really is that these are perhaps a little more flashy. They're a little more, I don't know, fancy? Would fancy be the word? Yeah, they're a little more fancy. So these look really nice, I will say. Yeah, these are very nice. So again, link is in the description. They do have other versions. I'm gonna link all of them in the description and the pinned comment. Also, there's a 20% coupon that will substantially lower the price of these, and these will save your rims from scraping. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please thumb up. If you'd like to see more videos just like this and others, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you get alerted when there's new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video.